So in times of medical emergencies, swift and efficient care is crucial. What you see here is 8 years ago, my son was in an emergency room and a critical piece of medical equipment failed. As a result, they had to run around the hospital looking for a piece of equipment. And it caused him to lose his leg. It almost killed him. It took them 45 minutes to find a replacement. All because clinicians could not find the equipment they needed. So in Latin, Conquiro means to seek, to find, and to procure. At Conquiro, our AI-powered asset management system is going to help clinicians locate medical equipment and ensure that the equipment availability is never going to be a barrier to safe and efficient care. So as seen in my son's case, poor asset management causes harm to patients. It also costs quite a bit of money. Loss, theft, and unplanned failure causes nurses to spend about 72 minutes per shift in hospitals looking for equipment. $4,000 per bed per year is lost. This is a $12 billion problem in the hospital that we think we have a good solution for. So at Conquiro, our enterprise-level desktop mobile solution is going to use deep learning to track and locate hospital equipment in real time to prevent loss, to streamline maintenance, and help clinicians deliver better care. They'll know where things are, when they need them, and they'll be able to find them. So how it works, we're going to use a series of RFID and sensors around the hospital. We're going to use LoRaWAN technology. Basically, our system will automatically track where equipment is. There'll be no logging equipment in and out of rooms and tracking it. It will be able to tell if the equipment leaves areas where it's not supposed to be. So basically, medical equipment will always be accounted for when it's needed and where it's accessible. We're not the first person to this market. In fact, the hospital market asset system, it's an $85 billion market. We are focused on the 200-bed and plus hospital market, which is about a $375 million market. There is competition in the market because it is an $85 billion market. You have companies like Siemens, you have GE Healthcare, companies like Hardcat. You'll see there are 3 or 4 different stakeholders within the hospital. There are obviously the bean counters, the strategic people. They're looking at the cost of equipment, they're bringing it in, they're tagging it, and they're counting it. But we also have the biomedical people that are responsible for fixing equipment when it's needed. Right now, they have to use red tape in a hospital to find broken equipment. And then we have clinicians. There's a few systems out there that do RFID tracking, but they have to log it in and out of rooms. Conquiro is one of the first companies that was providing services for all 3 of these communities. And we are focused on the clinician. We are a pre-seed company, but we currently have a LOI from a large Nova hospital group. And we've talked to a lot of CEOs around the company that want a system like this, and they're convinced that asset management is really a key driver for their financial performance and sustainability of their hospitals. We got a team of experienced people. I've run companies. McLean's an AI genius, and Michael is a data genius. So we work well together, and we put this together. Pricing. We're targeting this market. If we get 1% of this market in 5 years, we're going to be doing $50 million in revenue based on our financial projections. We are looking for $1.2 million in pre-seed round funds to scale our prototype to an enterprise level and to reach market readiness. So at Conquiro, if you're interested in helping people, if you're interested in making sure that people don't end up like my son, paralyzed because you can't find a piece of equipment, then come join us. We'll be outside to answer any questions. Thank you for your time.